Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Sparkle English, where I help you improve your English skills. My name is Jennifer and today we will have a 10-question quiz on using quotations and commas. So, which sentence is punctuated correctly? I can't believe you said that, Jane exclaimed. Is the correct answer A, B, or C? In this lesson, we are using American punctuation. The correct answer is B. I can't believe you said that, Jane exclaimed. B is correct because we have the comma before the quotation mark. Number 2. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? Where are you going? Asked John. Is the correct answer A, B, or C? The correct answer is A. Where are you going? Asked John. A is correct because where are you going is a question, so we end it with a question mark and not a comma. Number 3. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? Don't be upset, said Sarah. I didn't mean to offend you. Is the correct answer A, B, or C? The correct answer is C. Don't be upset, said Sarah. I didn't mean to offend you. C is correct because don't be upset and I didn't mean to offend you are two separate sentences. A is incorrect because we need to separate these into two different sentences. Because if don't be upset and I didn't mean to offend you were merged, that would be a comma splice. Number 4. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? The manager said, finish the reports by this afternoon. Is the correct answer A, B, or C? The correct answer is B, and this is correct because we must start the quotation with a capital letter, in this case, and also have a comma after said. Number 5. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? Let's go to the beach, suggested John. The weather is perfect. Is the correct answer A, B, or C? The correct answer is C. Let's go to the beach, suggested John. The weather is perfect. Again, here we have two separate sentences. Let's go to the beach and the weather is perfect. So we must have a period after John before beginning the new quotation. And before we continue with the rest of the quiz, if you need more help with your punctuation skills, make sure to order my 50-plus page ebook on 16 basic punctuation rules, and this will help you with your writing and punctuation skills. The book also includes worksheets that you can use to practice your skills even more. You can click on the link in the description below or in the pinned comment to order. Number 6. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? We are over. I am breaking up with you, she said. A, B, or C? The correct answer is A. We are over. I am breaking up with you, she said. A is correct because we are ending this quotation with an exclamation mark, so we don't use a comma. And she must not be capitalized because it is a part of this sentence and it is not a proper noun. Number 7. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? The taxi driver said, please fasten your seatbelts. A, B, or C? The correct answer is C. The taxi driver said, please fasten your seatbelts. C is correct because we have a comma after said, and please is capitalized because it's the beginning of a new quotation and it's a complete sentence. Number 8. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? I need to buy potatoes, milk, and eggs, Mom said. A, B, or C? The correct answer is C. I need to buy potatoes, milk, and eggs. We have quotation marks on either side of the quotation, and the comma is before the quotation. Number 9. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? I'll be there at 6 o'clock, he promised. A, B, or C? The correct answer is A. I'll be there at 6 o'clock, he promised. A is correct because we have the comma before the quotation, and also he is not capitalized. And finally, number 10. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? That's a great idea, said Sarah. Let's do it. A, B, or C? The correct answer is B. That's a great idea, said Sarah. Let's do it. B is correct because we have the comma before the quotation and a period after Sarah, because that's a great idea and let's do it are two separate sentences. There are two independent clauses, so we can't join them together with commas like in example A. Okay, so let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 10. If you need more help with punctuation, make sure to order my 50-plus page ebook and subscribe to Sparkle English for more lessons like this one. I will see you in my next lesson.